All right, just a quick video for you people that are interested in changing the combination for your Ford. This one's a Lincoln. It's a 2006. They're all pretty much the same if they're set up like that. What you want to do is get two screwdrivers that are small, like these two here, and you're gonna just put one under it just to get under it, and the second one to go right here in the middle. And you're gonna push in the middle and then pop it out like that. And that's it. I'll push the button. All right, so just to recap, there's two clips, one here and one on the other side. So you can go from either side. It's the same thing. Okay.